and me have a surprise for you in this video.
Happy birthday, Asmita. We have collected all the beautiful, lovely messages on your birthday for you so that you have a beautiful day and a superb year ahead. May God always bless you and just keep smiling and just be the way you are.
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. लाए मेरी मन्नतें, पूरी हो तेरी सभी हसरतें, सारे जहां की खुशी हो तेरी.
Hi Ashmita, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful day ahead and hope Sobu knows how fortunate he is to have you in his life. That smile of yours can brighten up anybody's day. Keep smiling, keep traveling, have loads of fun, and wishing you a great year ahead.
Happy birthday.
Good.
God bless you.
Hi Gudu, wishing you a very happy birthday from Tarun and me. Hope you're having an amazing day and hope Rian and Amit have planned something amazing for you. Amit has really taken a lot of effort and painstakingly curated this video, which I think is extremely sweet. Sending you lots of love. I really miss seeing you. I wish I could see more of you, and I owe being vegetarian to you for my life. Have a great one and happy birthday. Mwah.
Hey girl, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Have a blast. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep working hard. You're an amazing mother, amazing person, and the best friend I could ask for. Love you.
Happy birthday, Asmita.
We
love you a lot.
Enjoy your day. Enjoy a lot
And
with the
hope
family.
to see you very soon.
Yeah, I think that is really pending. So we really need to see you in Tanreef. This is a small preview of bar of Pawan Udwani, Sumit Manglani, and then Komal, and then Tushar and Veronica. But anyways, enjoy your day and please, a big kiss to the small boy and to our best friend Sobani. Take care, enjoy.
Happy birthday, Asmita. Have a nice birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless you very much and hope to see you very soon.
Cheers.
Love you, bye, take care.
Hi Asmita, wish you a very happy birthday, lots of love. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Asmita. God bless you.
Hi. Happy birthday, Auntie Asmita. Have a wonderful day. We meet you, Rian, and Uncle soon. Bye.
Hi Asmita, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope you have a great day and a great year ahead. I was so pleasantly surprised when Amit reached out to all of us to record a special message for you on your birthday. I would like to start by saying that you were one of the first few mommy friends I made in Mumbai after I gave birth to Arna. One of the first mature adult conversations that I had with a person of my age that gave me some sense of reality and peace. It has been such a wonderful experience knowing you as a person and as a friend. One of the best features about you is your warmth and your warm smile, which is very infectious. Please maintain that irrespective of our environment or the circumstances. Stay blessed, stay happy. Wish you a very happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Didi. You are one of the most amazing women I have ever come across in my life. Your values are impeccable. There is not one woman I know in my life who does for the family selflessly as how you do. You are honestly the gift of our family, and you don't know how much you mean to us. Growing up, I always used to not like sharing things with you, but I'm glad I share my life with you. And by far, you are the best blessing that is in my life. I know I can always count upon you, and you are truly amazing. God bless you with everything, health, wealth, happiness. May you travel the world. May you all your wishes be fulfilled. Happy birthday.
Hey, happy birthday, Asmita. Wishing you loads of happiness and love always. God bless you.
Hey Asmita, wish you a very happy birthday. It's been a long journey from being childhood friends to later you becoming my Bobby. But the thing I love is our relation hasn't changed, and although we don't talk daily, but we always can count on each other. And I hope you have an amazing year and always keep smiling, stay the same. Love you lots.
Hi Dudi, how are you beta? Happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with a good health, wealth and happiness beta. I am very much blessed and really very much blessed to have a daughter like you. Miss you beta. You were born, that was the best moment for me.
Happy birthday, Gudu.
Gudu, you were, are, and will always be our golden heart girl. You're so talented, yet so humble and grounded. Your love and care extends not only to the immediate family and your near and dear ones, but also for the underprivileged and poor people. And that's your greatest virtue. So dear, please remain the way you are. Always loving, caring, smiling, laughing, cheerful. God bless and have a fabulous day.
Gudu, beta, happy birthday to you and have a very happy married life, healthy, wealthy, peaceful life with your family, Rian and Amit together.
You are so cute, loving, precious and everything to me. God bless you and keep you always happy.
It's high time we meet now, and I wish you all the best for everything, and lots of love, a big tight hug, and hope you have a fabulous one.
Happy birthday, Gudu.
Happy birthday, Gudu.
Wish you the best and all the happiness for the years to come. I know there's a lot of stuff that's planned for you for today, and knowing how Bollywood crazy Amit is, I'm sure this is just the trailer and picture abhi baki hai. And I also know that you share your birthday with Amitabh Bachchan. Amit ji is busy with KBC, so abhi ke liye Amit ji se kaam chala lo. And we can't wait to see you really soon. And have a great year ahead. Lots of love.
Lots of love, Gudu. Take care.
Happy birthday, Goodly. Many happy returns of the day. May you have many more on the way. Enjoy your day today. Love it.
Hi Asmita, wishing you a very happy birthday. I'm so glad we came so close to each other every time, going out for dinners to new places, to times that we've spent together, and it's always been wonderful being with you guys. Wishing you a very happy birthday.
Wishing you a very happy birthday, Asmita. I have to say that I consider myself really lucky to have been able to find a friend and a sister-in-law like you. You're an amazing person. I'm hoping that we're able to create some beautiful memories together. Wishing you lots of love and joy on this day. I shall see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. Have a beautiful birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Asmita. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Lots and lots of love from all of us.
Hi Asmita, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Have a very beautiful year ahead and enjoy and make the most of it.
Hi Asmita, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful, healthy, wealthy year ahead and lots of love to you.
And keep smiling, your smile is really nice. Bye.
Hi Gurli, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you all the best.
Rami Vidya, happy birthday, very sweet, lovely daughter Kutu. God bless you. अमित ने सरप्राइज बर्थडे रखा, बहुत खुशी हुई. हमेशा खुश रहेगी मेरे प्यारे अमित और रियान के साथ. I miss you very much, बेटा. God will give you health, wealth and happiness. Bye.
Hi Gudu, wish you a very happy birthday. I have really fond memories when you were a small child playing with you. It was really fun, and I can't forget the rose milk which I used to serve you all every night. It was a great memory. God bless you with an amazing life ahead. Love you.
Hi Guru, it's a special day and a special moment for you. Well, we have so many memories together, unforgettable memories together. We spent in Pune, Mahabaleshwar, the nights in Pune so long. We used to sit and gossip together and read out here and then, having or munching something or the other. And the way you used to I remember in Mahabaleshwar, the way you used to throw your heart and sing with the romantic songs in Mahabaleshwar. It's really unforgettable. Well, we have so many memories and so many secrets shared together, but not to be told now. But nevertheless, Amit has done a very great job. He's gathered the entire family and collected so many videos and compiled it together. And this is a wonderful present for you, I guess. It's a special, precious gift for you. So, Amit, good job. You've done a good job. And wish you a very happy birthday. God bless you. Take care.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you always the best in life. May you have a super year ahead.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Asmita, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a great year ahead, and it's always good to see you guys. Whenever we meet, we are on the same page. Hope to see you soon. I'm in Dubai right now. Sorry Amit for sending this video very late, but please apologize. It was a working day for me today, so I just missed sending it early. Anyways, have a good day and have a great year ahead. Cheers, buddy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Guddu. Your name is Guddu because you're so sweet and always smiling. This is some special wishes from your Mr. Hong Kong and Mrs. Hong Kong. I hope you remember that. On this your special birthday, we would like to wish you happy birthday. Good. Happy birthday. Good. Hope you have a blast and a very memorable birthday. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Asmita. Wish you all the best for the coming year. God bless you.
And give you all what you desire in your life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Asmita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Asmita. Have a great day and a super year ahead.
Happy birthday. Have an amazing day and an amazing year ahead.
Happy birthday, Asmita. God bless you and keep you always happy with your little one and Amit.
Happy birthday, Asmita Mommy. Have a great one and a great year ahead.
Hi Asmita, wishing you a very happy birthday. Please continue to be the wonderful person that you are.
Hi Asmita, wishing you a very happy birthday.
May God give you love and light, health and wealth, peace and prosperity, always in abundance, always. Love you, love you. Love you. Bye. Bye.
मैं भूली नहीं हूँ, मुझे याद है कि बर्थडे तुम्हारा आज है। विशेष की तुम्हारे पास लगी होगी तो सोचा हट के कहूँ, शायद ध्यान पड़े। स्टोरीज और स्टेटस लगाना मैं जरूरी नहीं समझती हूँ, बस ये दिन तुम्हें खास लगे। ये चेहरे पे जो चमक आज दिख रही है ना, ये ग्लो पूरे साल रहनी चाहिए। तुम्हारे इस दुनिया में आने की खुशी बहुत ज्यादा है, तो एक दिन से ट्रीट से क्या होगा, तुम्हें पार्टी हर शाम देनी चाहिए। ये आज जो अंदर से एक्साइटमेंट और बाहर जैसे स्माइल नजर आ रही है ना, इस दिन को तुम हमेशा के लिए फ्रीज कर, बस आज के दिन, क्योंकि ये तुम्हें एहसास खास है। दुआ है मेरी तुम्हें बस हर दिन सेलिब्रेशन सा फील। बहुत सोचा कि ऐसा कोई तोहफा है जो तुम्हें हमेशा याद रहे, तुम्हारे साथ रहे, एक के बाद एक सब निकलते रहे और बस शब्द ही बचे। तो उन्हीं शब्दों को जोड़कर कहूँ तो मेरी तरफ से, प्रियंका की तरफ से, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Happy birthday to you. May you live to be 103. It's a happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Asmita. Happy birthday, Asmita Masi.
Good morning, Asmita. Wishing you a very happy birthday. God bless you. You are extremely sweet, and we are extremely fortunate to have you as a friend. And more importantly, my friend is extremely happy to, or is privileged, or I think blessed to have you as his wife. God bless you each day, and may you continue to smile and spread the joy every day for the rest of your life. Thank you. God bless you. Happy birthday.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू, हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू, हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। Dear, you are a golden-hearted person. I have always seen in my life you caring for others, the seva you have done, and the way you have taken care of your parents and brother, of your husband and in-laws, and having relations all around are really amazing. Wish all your dreams come true in life, and our blessings are always with you.
जियन जो ये ॾींहुं आयो, ख़ुशियनि सां ये दिल गायो, तू जिए हज़ारों साल, इहा आहे असांजी आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Guddu, happy birthday to you. Guddu, you are really gem of person, ever smiling, caring, full of warmth, down to earth. We have shared so many beautiful moments together. I am grateful to God that you are part of my life. Stay blessed, keep shining, enjoy your day. God bless you, my dear beta.
हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डन। आज के दिन तेरे को हार्दिक बधाई। तू बहुत ही अच्छी दिल वाली और सेवादारी मेरी बिटिया है, इसलिए ईश्वर ने तुझे इतना अच्छा पति, बच्चा और परिवार दिया है। ईश्वर हमेशा तेरी और प्रोग्रेस करता रहे, तू प्रोग्रेस करती रहेगी और सदा अपने परिवार के साथ सुखी रहेगी। मेरी यही ईश्वर के दर पे प्रार्थना है और मेरा आशीर्वाद भी है। ईश्वर तुझे हमेशा चहकती महकती और सुंदर हेल्थ देगा और उसके साथ लंबी लंबी आयु। चलो आज के दिन गाओ, पियो, खुशी मनाओ। और मैं और तुझे क्या गिफ्ट दूँ? अमित से कहती हूँ कि तेरे को एक कस के बाकी और एक मीठी मीठी किसी। हैप्पी बर्थडे गुड्डन।
Hi Asmita, how are you? I remember you as a child calling you Guddu. My God, you've grown so big. Your birthday. Happy birthday. I feel like singing for you. बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन वो गाए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये है मेरी आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dear Asmita.
Yo, Asmita, many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a rockin' one. It's been way too long since we met. I think must be at least 10-15 years. Anyway, let's hope we catch up soon. Have a rocking day. Cheers.
अस्मिता, गॉड ब्लेस यू. गुरु की दया में होएगी, हमेशा खुश रहेगी.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
Happy birthday, Gudu. Birth of a girl child is a gift of a God to the family. Girl is daughter, sister, wife, and finally mother. Daughter is always attached to mother, helps in household work from childhood, and cares for your younger brother and sister. On getting married, leaves the family to join husband and his family, starts new life, living her loved ones. After giving birth to child, plays the role of wife and mother for entire life. In all the four relations, she protects both the families. I say, girl is not only a gift of a God, but she is human in form of God. What is in the name? Asmita, you were destined to marry Amit as it is in your name. Asmita with Amit has 3 A's. Both will be always the winner in every field. Same applies for Asmita and Ryan. You have all the 4 aces. No one can beat you. Amit plus Ryan both have 3 A's. Always winner in every sphere of life. Wishing you all the best in life, happiness, health, wealth and peaceful long life.